To create the best apple pie, you'll need a blend of fresh ingredients and precise steps to ensure a delicious outcome. An apple pie is a classic dessert that combines a flaky, buttery crust with a sweet and lightly spiced apple filling. The key to perfection is a balance of sweetness, spice, and the natural tartness of the apples. Here's how you can make the perfect apple pie. Ingredients *. 6 to 8 tart apples, such as Granny Smith, which hold their shape well during baking and provide a nice tart contrast to the sweet filling. 1 tablespoon lemon juice, to add tartness and prevent the apples from browning. 1 cup granulated sugar, to sweeten and balance the tartness of the apples. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a warm spice that is essential in classic apple pie. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, for an additional layer of spice complexity. 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, to thicken the filling as it bakes so it's not runny. 1/4 teaspoon salt, to enhance the flavor of the pie and balance the sweetness. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, cut into small pieces, to add richness to the filling. 1 egg yolk, for a golden, glossy finish on the crust. 1 tablespoon milk, to combine with the egg yolk for an egg wash. 1 package refrigerated pie crust, or homemade, which provides the essential flaky crust. Directions *. 1. Preparation of pie crust *. If using homemade pie crust, prepare the dough in advance by mixing flour, salt, and butter until crumbly. Add water little by little until a cohesive dough forms. Divide the dough in half and roll out 2 circles, one slightly larger than the other. Chill them until ready to use. A well-chilled dough is easier to handle and results in a flakier crust. 2. Preheat oven *. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Preheating is crucial to ensure that the pie starts cooking at the right temperature, which contributes to a perfectly baked crust and filling. 3. Prepare apples *. Peel, core, and thinly slice the apples uniformly to ensure even cooking. If preferred, you can adjust the thickness of the apple slices depending on whether you like your apples firmer or softer in the finished pie. Place them in a large bowl and drizzle with lemon juice to prevent browning and preserve their vibrant color.